Hey everybody, this is Developer Sid and I'll be teaching you Autodesk Maya, and this is going to be a very short video, and this is the first lecture. So I'll be introducing to the interface of the Maya, to the basic interface of the Maya, and I'll tell you how to manipulate things, how to move around the objects, how to bring one in. And so let's get started. So Maya gives you more than one option to do the same task, like see these options: mesh display, mesh tools. See all the options after Windows, like modeling and rigging. See these options changing, animation, modeling, yeah. And hold down the spacebar and see these options now: mesh, skeleton, skin, deform, wait, rigging, skeleton, deform. Yeah, see these options. Now these will change. So let's bring one object, and this is the polysphere, this is a cube, and just hover on it to see what it does. See like that. And so let's bring one polysphere. Now this is the channel box or the layer editor. You can see, just press W for the for the movement of this polysphere, and E is the hotkey for the rotation. And you can also change the background color by pressing Alt B, and it has four background colors like Alt B, Alt B, Alt B. I like this one, yeah. And we have some different views, like just press spacebar once. This is the perspective view, and this is the side view. You can see here X. Now if I move it along the x-axis, which is this one, you will see that this one is not moving. This thing is not moving because you are watching it along the x-axis. And if you move it along the blue line, which is the z-axis, you can see this one, front Z. So this one is not moving, and same goes for the Y. And just go back to perspective. Yeah. These are the coordinates. You can see these changing, these numbers changing, and you can just press on it. And if you want to be very precise, just press one, and you can enter anything. And same goes for the rotation. These lines, Z, Y, and red one is the x-axis. Let's rotate it along the z-axis. Watch it carefully. Um, these axes are rotating along the rotation. And now this is important. Press E and click on the object like this, and select world. Press E, click on the object and drag like that, and select world. Now watch it carefully. The axes aren't moving along. These axes are not moving along because you are now doing it, you're rotating the object along the world axis, which would be same. Press E and click and drag on the object. Now see the axis. Now they are moving along. Yeah. And this is the timeline. We'll not be using it anytime soon, but I will be covering it afterwards, of course. And just this is the endpoint. See these numbers changing. This is the endpoint, and this is the out point. See these numbers changing. Yeah, these both numbers changing. And if you want to maximize the length, double click on it, and double click once again to undo. Now what happens is, uh, if you want to move around an object, like press Alt and the scroll wheel, the middle mouse button. Yes, you can move around the object. And you can, if you want to rotate around the object, press Alt and left mouse button. Yeah, just like that. If you want to zoom in or out, use the scroll wheel or press Alt and the right mouse button. Up and down, right and left. Sometimes these things happen, like or and now you are not rotating around anything, right? Just go on view and look at selection. Now you're back again. You're back on the polysphere. So I guess this is it for the video. This is the basic introduction to the UI of the Autodesk Maya. I will be continuing the lectures from tomorrow onwards. Thank you.